Welcome back, YouTube. I've been granted the opportunity to interview a General Motors engineer that has worked on both the Chevy Silverado and the Tahoe and Suburban with the LM2 3.0-liter Duramax engine that is being manufactured just a few miles north of where I live in Flint, Michigan. I'm posting this video as a special invitation for all of you watching my channel to give you the opportunity to submit questions that you would like answered. Please enter your questions in the comments below between now and November 25th of 2020. Questions after this date will not be eligible to be answered during the virtual interview that is going to take place sometime between Thanksgiving and Christmas 2020. Questions after that date will be answered on a periodic basis. I will try to get as many questions answered as possible, but future product questions are not typically something that get answered before official company announcements are made. Thanks again for supporting this channel by watching the videos, leaving your questions in the comments section, and giving the video a like. It all really helps. I look forward to bringing you more information about modern diesel engines, long-term owner reviews, some tow testing, and some new vehicle reviews from the perspective of a very curious fellow.